Good morning. It is 9 a.m. as I begin recording this video. It is October 11th. I hope that everybody is doing well today. I hope that you are enjoying the cooler weather we are getting here in Southwest Louisiana. In this video, I'm going to show you how to embed a Google Calendar into your Moodle course. Now, Moodle comes with a calendar by default. However, the discussion assignments may not be reflected in this calendar. So there is another way you can get your deadlines to all show up in your class with a Google Calendar if you choose to do so. Now, some instructors will just post their deadlines on their syllabi. Others like to have their students easily see these deadlines so that nobody is thrown off with what's going on in the class. Now you see quizzes and assignments tend to show up. However, discussions do not always show up. So now I'm going to go to my Google account here, and I'm going to go to calendar.google.com. And I'm going to create a calendar right here. I'm going to add a calendar, and I'm going to create a new calendar. So now I've created the calendar, and I'm going to get out of the settings by hitting this arrow right here. And now you see my deadline dates calendar is now available in my calendars list. And I want to display this calendar only, so every other calendar will be unchecked. So now we have 7 discussions, and let's say you want them to be due every Friday. So now we can put an event by double clicking, and we'll say let's say we want our class to start on October 25th. And then we can customize this. So Friday. And then we can say we want this to end after 7 occurrences. So we're going to hit done, and we are going to save this event. And now you see the event is now populated for our discussions, and we can also add our quizzes in there as well. So let's say we want the quiz to be due on our first quiz, or our midterm in this case, could be due on November 13th. And we can save that. And you can do this with the rest of your assignments. And once you've got the assignments that you want in this calendar, you can go to Settings right here. And then we're going to get this embedding code right here. And now you can customize if you wish. You can make it larger. You can change the background color to, let's say, green or this avocado color, so on and so forth. You can create your own color if you wish to do so. This is a non-essential feature. It's convenient, it's for appearance, but it's not an obligation on your part. So I'm going to save that, and let's make the width slightly larger. We're going to go to about 900. And then the height, yes, we can do 650. So now I'm going to embed this code here by clicking on Embed Code. And I'm going to hit Control C to copy this. And now I personally like to put this in the very first section of a course, or you can add an HTML. But the process will be the same for embedding this. So if we go to the very top, your students will most likely see it. So if I hit edit here, edit this section, and now I hit this menu option here, the toolbar toggle, and this is the embedded HTML source right here, this icon right here. I'm going to hit Control V and paste this, update, save changes. So now you have your Google Calendar incorporated into your class, and your students are likely to see everything that's due in one spot. And now if you do choose to have this calendar on the side here, you would go to add a block, hit HTML. So, you do need to make sure your editing is on. So now we've added the block. You see the new HTML block. So now if I go to this actions menu here and I configure this, I would do the same thing here. I would hit the edit the HTML source, paste my code, update this, and I would save my changes. And now you see, you see the calendar now appears here. However, you would have to scroll to see the full week if you're putting it on the side there. Whereas if you put this in the very top of your course, your students can see all dates at once, and they can switch to the month that's needed to be seen. If you do have additional questions, feel free to email me. Feel free to pass by the Burton Business Center in Suite Room 149, or you can pass by BBC Room 202. I will see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.